Are you currently dealing with carpenter bees drilling holes in the siding of your wood outbuildings or even your home? Well, I have some carpenter bees that I really need to trap and take care of. I'm going to be testing out the Best Bee Brothers. These are bee traps for carpenter bees specifically. And I also am going to be using Brian's bee butter. And so we're going to test this out and see if it's any good at all, because you do want to jump on the carpenter bee problem before it becomes a larger issue. Good news is if we catch them early enough, shouldn't be a big deal. So let's go ahead and assemble these. I have never assembled one before, but it looks super simple. With these little plastic push screws, so you don't really even need any tools. It's just hand assembly. So you want it to be facing this way. The front of the trap has the opening for the actual trap bottom, and then the spring is on the back of the trap right here. So you line this up just like this. There are pre-drilled holes, and then you can go ahead and push these into these slots, and just like that, it's locked into place. I'm going to go ahead and lock in the other one on this side, and then there's two more on the other side that we'll need to push in as well, and one right here as well. So now that is securing the actual trap part. This part came assembled already, the transparent bottom. And now what we need to do is go ahead and put on the roof. It does come with two different traps. So two roofs, two bodies themselves and everything too. So now we just need to go ahead and align the roof like this. Should be able to just press it into the pre-drilled slots. And I believe we now have a fully assembled carpenter bee trap from Best Bee Brothers. So I have never assembled one of these before. I barely even looked at the instructions, and very, very, very easy to assemble. Now I need to go ahead and bait the trap so that we can actually get some of the carpenter bees. But fun fact, if you do have a dead carpenter bee somehow, you can go ahead and put that into your trap as well. And I guess it works by like pheromones. It might attract the other carpenter bees, or just through some sort of chemical signals it's attracting other carpenter bees. So if you don't have the bait, the bee bait, that's totally fine too. But I'm going to use the carpenter bee bait design with this trap. It has a hole on the left side, the front, and the right side. But I'm really interested to see how effective this actually is at, getting rid of the carpenter bees that are attacking our home. So let's go ahead and bait this up. There is a slot right here that says place bee bait, like right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and put some of the paste just right there on that spot. Bee butter is a reputable bait for carpenter bees that treats the carpenter bee nests themselves. So that's what we're going to be going after today. Now this can also be used to treat the holes directly. So if you see carpenter bee holes in your actual wood structures, you can put some of this into the holes themselves, and it will help treat those nests. But it also works as a bait. So we're going to use it primarily as a bait, but if I end up seeing a lot of different carpenter bee holes, I'll probably be filling it with the Brian's bee butter as well. All right, and then I put the bait on the actual trap itself. So now we can go ahead and hang this up. There are two traps here in this set. Really pleased with how easy it was to set up and everything. And let's go see if this actually catches some carpenter bees. I will keep you guys updated because I just hung up this trap. There are no carpenter bees yet. However, if you subscribe, I will let you know how well this is working, or if it's not. We would truly appreciate you hitting the subscribe button. It is 100% free to do so, and it truly, truly helps our small family business out. It truly supports us. So it's free, it's fast. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and a link for this trap will be in the video description below. Have an amazing day. Bye.